Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we will delve into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 9th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 9th of May, 2025, our system has designated Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.47. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is positioned at the upper end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $25.62 would initially indicate a slower rate of decline, and it may also signal the first signs of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately -13.36% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -46.88% to -10.83%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -23.11%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -88.51% and 37.39% over the coming year. In current terms, this would imply a future price somewhere between $2.86 and $34.20. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corp stock downgraded to sell candidate. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corp stock price decreased by nearly 1% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 9th of May, 2025, moving from $25.14 to $24.89. During that trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 4.24%, with a low of $24.78 and a high of $25.83. The stock has seen a decline in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 4.78% during this period. It is worth noting that the trading volume also dropped on the last day, alongside the stock price, which is generally perceived as a positive indicator, since volume should ideally follow price movements. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 650,000 shares, with a total of 3 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $64,021,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $56.55, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price stands 55.99%, or $31.66, below the 52-week high, and 68.64%, or $54.49, below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Trump Media and Technology Group is making strategic moves to strengthen its market position. As of the 9th of May, 2025, the company announced plans to pursue mergers and acquisitions, aiming to diversify into sectors like financial services. This pivot could attract new investments and market confidence, potentially driving stock price growth in the short term. In its first quarter results, Trump Media reported a narrowed loss and a strong cash position of $759 million, indicating that it has the financial resources to pursue these expansion plans. Despite ongoing legacy legal fees, the company's operations consumed only a fraction of its cash reserves, emphasizing its stability and ability to fund growth initiatives. The company is also venturing into fintech with the launch of Truth.Fi and is preparing to introduce a new subscription-based service called Truth+. Such initiatives reflect a commitment to innovate and tap into lucrative markets, which could yield positive long-term impacts on its stock price. However, challenges like regulatory scrutiny, specifically from Senator Elizabeth Warren, could create volatility. The Securities and Exchange Commission's oversight of Trump's financial activities may add uncertainty. Investors should remain aware of these external pressures when considering the stock. Overall, while there are risks, the company's strategic diversification and solid financial footing could position Donald J. Trump favorably for future growth. Analysts have assigned the Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected at $24.64 and $21.84. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Some negative signals have also been identified, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 23, 2025, and the stock has since fallen by 5.65%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Notably, the trading volume decreased alongside the price on the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivot signaled a sell opportunity 13 days ago. Bollinger suggested a buy signal 54 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also provided a buy signal 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 15 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 19 days ago. The long-term moving average suggested a sell signal 63 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages had a buy signal 58 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $22.87 and $22.04. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline towards the next support level. In this case, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation has support just below today's level at $22.87. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $22.04 and $20.27. This stock can experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.05 between the high and low, which is a 4.24% change. For the last week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 3.74%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's take a moment to review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This key metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can endure challenging periods, often influenced by factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and an increased risk of bankruptcy. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $26.14. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $22.87. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On March 11, 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On March 12, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On March 10, 2025, Philip Juhan completed an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On March 10, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted another insider sale of 8,954 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On March 10, 2025, Philip Juhan also executed an insider sale of 300 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the 55 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 20.478. In total, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares in the last 55 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and we have not established a stop loss. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation exhibits several negative signals, and we believe its performance will remain weak over the next few days to weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative assessment of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 12th of May, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open higher by 277/10,000ths of a dollar and start trading at $25.17. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.